Hello everyone, so in this video we'll be learning about how to upgrade your Laravel 9 project into Laravel 10. That means latest Laravel version. As you can see, our current project version is Laravel 9.39. So we will upgrade our project. So let's start our work. First of all, let's go to terminal. First of all, you have to check that your PHP version is greater than or is equals to 8.1. So in here I will say PHP -v. So as you can see, my PHP version is 8.1. okay, so if you want to upgrade your Laravel 9 to Laravel 10, you have to upgrade your PHP version also. After checking the PHP version, we have to check the composer version. I'll just run composer, enter, and if I scroll top, as you can see, my composer version is 2.4.1. and for run Laravel 10 we need composer version 2.0 or greater than 2.0. so my version is 2.4. that means it's totally okay. If your composer version is less than 2.2, you have to upgrade your composer. Okay, so our PHP and composer version is fulfilling the requirement. So let's upgrade our project. So let's go to code editor. So I have already opened my application into VS Code, as you can see. So from here we have to open composer.json. okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to change your PHP version. As you can see, my current PHP version here is 8.02. okay, so I have to change it. I'll change it to 8.1. okay, after that we have to change our framework version. As you can see, our framework version is 9.19 here, right? So I'll change it to 10.0. okay, and at the last we have to change this Spite Laravel ignition. We have to change this version to 2.0. okay, that's all we have to need to change in our composer. Then after that, let's go to terminal and I'll run composer update, enter, and it will update our Laravel version 9 to 10. As you can see, Laravel ignition is updating version 1 to 2.0. so as you can see, our framework is updated. Now if I clear this terminal and run php artisan -- version, enter, as you can see, now our Laravel framework version is 10.0. right? Now if I go to my front end, here it is, refresh this page. As you can see, in here also we are getting that our Laravel version is 10.0.3 and PHP version is 8.1. okay, so we successfully upgraded our Laravel 9 project into Laravel 10. Now if you want to change this default dashboard design like Laravel 10, so what you can do, let's open a tab and go to Laravel's GitHub. So I will search for Laravel GitHub and open the first link. So as you can see, now we are at the Laravel 10's GitHub repo. As you can see, the branch is 10.x. okay, so from here let's go to resources, views, and as you can see, in here we have the welcome.blade.php. just open it and click on raw. okay, so from here we will copy everything, just copy it. Let's go back to our code editor, open the resource view, and from the view open the welcome.blade.php. so from here select everything and remove and paste the copied codes. okay, now if I go to front end again, let's go to front end here and refresh this page. As you can see, our dashboard has been changed with Laravel 10's dashboard, right? As you can see, in here we are getting the versions and here is our login register links and everything is working fine, right? If I click on login, so as you can see, I'm currently at the login page. So that's mean our work here is done. We successfully updated our Laravel 9 project into Laravel 10. So that's it for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new lecture. In this lecture, we'll be learning about how to upgrade a Laravel 10 application to the latest version of Laravel, which is Laravel 11. So some of you guys personally DM me for create an upgrade guide. So that's why I'm recording this video right now. So yeah, let's start our work then. Look at here, I'm currently at the official website of Laravel, which is laravel.com. From there, let's go to the documentation and see what is the documentation for upgrade. From here, from the documentation, you have to go to Prolog, then you will find the upgrade guide. Okay, look at here. They listed up all of the latest update that they made in the 11. They divided the update in 3 categories: high, medium, and low. You can go through the whole documentation for knowing better what kind of changes they made in the 11. But for me, as my focus is to just upgrade the application, so I will just go to the update dependencies. So click on the first one. Look at here. Here we have a small documentation that how can we upgrade our application. First thing that is required is to upgrade our PHP version. Now, you know that in Laravel 10, the recommended, or you can say required version was PHP 8.1. Now for Laravel 11, the PHP version is 8.2. Now, if you're using PHP 8.0 or 8.1, you will not able to use Laravel 11 because you will get error. For use Laravel 11, you have to at last need this version 8.2 or greater than 8.2. Then they're recommending to update the CRUD version. The required version is this one. In our case, we doesn't have to update the version because we are using the latest version of PHP. By default, this one will be resolved. But still, if we get any kind of CRUD related issue, we'll be fixing those. It's fine. Then let's come into the third step where we have to change the dependencies. Look at here. All the changes for the dependencies are listed here. First is the Laravel version, obviously. Then we have this collision package. It has its own update. Then Breeze package is having update as well. So if your project having Breeze installed, you have to upgrade it to 2.0 right now. Then there are more package listed here. Those are the official packages. And by the way, if most of the time we try to upgrade a old project, right? Now currently I doesn't have any kind of old project to upgrade, so I installed it a fresh Laravel 10 project. So I will show you how to upgrade it with the fresh project. But in your case, same procedure will go go for the old projects as well. Laravel 10 project, already developed project by not fresh project. So in that case, what happened basically, these are the official dependencies, and also you can see that the changes already has been documented here. But in old projects, what we do is, or you can say in completed project, there is high chances that you used third-party packages in your project. So in that case, if your package that you're using doesn't support Laravel 11, so you are pretty much screwed. In that case, you have to manually fix that package for support Laravel 11. Then you will be able to upgrade your application. Otherwise, it will give the dependency error. Okay. Most of the packages, well-known packages, at last already support Laravel 11, so you don't have to worry about the update. But there could be some old packages or unmaintained packages that you are using in your project. In that case, you'll be not able to upgrade your project to Laravel 11, because when you will try to upgrade your project, you will get dependency error. So in that case, either you have to maintain that package and upgrade it to Laravel 11, then you have to composer update, then it will update that package, specific package as well in your project. Then you will be able to upgrade it to Laravel 11. So this is not a new issue. This is a common issue of old projects or complete projects. When a new Laravel version arrives, mainly the old projects cause lots of issues. Okay, so in case if you're getting any kind of issue, please hit on the Q&A. Let's discuss your issues and let's try to resolve it. So as I said, for me, I'm using a fresh package, so there is really low chances to break. I mean that it will break while update. But yeah, so let's start our work then. First thing what I'll do is that let me open my project in VS Code so that you can understand a little bit easily. Let me go to my project, which is demo. Doesn't need this console, so let's close this up. Why it is not closing? Okay, anyways. Okay, so the VS Code is loading. Just wait a bit. My PC is a little bit slow as it is recording right now. Okay, so terminal has been loaded. First of all, let's check the Laravel version of this package. PHP artisan dash capital V. It will show you the framework version. Look at here. My current project is 10.48. Let's try to upgrade that. First of all, you have to go to composer.json, and here, if I go to documentation once more time, you can see here we have the required PHP version. So we will add the PHP version here. So the minimum PHP version will be 8.2. So set 8.2 in the required dependencies. Now, if your project doesn't have PHP 8.2, your application won't run because you are defining it here. Let's check our PHP version. So PHP, you can see my current PHP version is 8.2, right? So make sure that your PHP version is 8.2 or greater than 8.2. Perfect. Let's go to the documentation. The next thing that we have to change is the framework version. So it will be 11. Here is the framework. Paste it here. Make sure you put this caret sign at the top. Don't remove it. Put it as it is. We just have to work with version, so we'll be changing the version. So it's 11.0. Then we have this Galatian package, which is having this 8.1 update. So we will find that one. Here it is. Paste this one here. The next one is the Breeze package. We all know about Breeze. Literally every developer, Laravel developer. This is basically a authentication package provided by Laravel. So currently, as my project is a fresh project, I don't have this package, but in your case, probably you will having this package. So make sure that you update the version. Not this package, all the packages that you are seeing listed here, you have to check if those packages, any of those packages been used in your project. In that case, you have to update the version, then proceed to upgrade your application. Otherwise, it will throw dependency error. Okay, so as I changed, and now what I'll do is I will try to upgrade composer update. Composer update, like that. So just wait a bit, it will load the composer repositories and try to upgrade it if there is any kind of error, obviously. Just wait a bit. Okay, look at here, we got our first error. Let's see what they're saying. The root composer JSON required Santum 3.2. Okay, so we are getting a error from Santum package. Now, if I go to the documentation, let's see in the dependency list, do we have Santum? Liveware, Scout, yes, we have the Santum listed here. So we have to make the changes. We have to change the Santum version here. If I go here and let's find the Santum, here is the Santum. Look at here, current version is 3.2. Let's make it 4.0. Now, like that, you have to check all of these packages that are you using those packages. For me, I'm not using other packages like Telescope, Liveware. My project doesn't have those. So this much changes will be fine for me. I will just go here, I'll clear this up, and let's run PHP composer update once more time, and let's see what happened. If as I said, if anything goes wrong, we'll be able to see error in the console, otherwise it will start updating the application. Okay, so look at here, I don't have any other dependencies. That's mean my application is perfect now for upgrade to Laravel 11. So it is updating the version. So yeah, after completing this process, our application will be upgraded to Laravel 11. Now, as I said, I'm not using any kind of third-party packages. Let's say any packages that you install via Composer. If that package doesn't have Laravel 11 support, you will be not able to upgrade your application to Laravel 11. Okay, so obviously if you get any kind of dependency error, some packages that doesn't record the dependencies, it by default works fluently. So in that in that case, you don't have to do anything. But most of the packages basically have that version specific. Let's say when your application was in Laravel 10, you installed a third-party package. So most probably that package that you used in your project was made for Laravel 10. When the Laravel 11 has arrived, the maintainer of the package will upgrade that package to Laravel 11 support. So if your package owner, or you can say package maintainer, didn't upgraded that package to Laravel 11, you will surely get a dependency error when you are trying to upgrade your application. In that case, you have to check the official GitHub repo of that package or website, that what is the latest version. If that version supports Laravel 11, which is good, in that case, you just have to change the version, like as we did for the official packages. Otherwise, if you get the dependency error and your package doesn't support Laravel 11, so in that case, there is lots of hassle to make the support for your application. So in that case, either you have to maintain that package from scratch by yourself, or you have to remove that package from your project. There are several ways actually. You can Google it, or if you get those type of error, you can take a screenshot and contact us on Q&A. We'll try to resolve it. So yeah, my work here is pretty much done. It is optimizing autoload file. So just wait a bit. So yeah, look at here, my updating is completed. The next thing that just I have to do is I have to check the version once more time. So again, PHP artisan dash capital V, it will show you the framework version. Look at here, now my version is 11.14. So we successfully updated our application to the latest version of Laravel. So that's how the process is pretty much same. Like Laravel have its own pattern for upgrade the project. I mean, updating the framework. This is the standard one we always follow. So yeah, that's it. I hope you understand. Again, if you are facing any kind of issue on this updating process, make sure you comment on Q&A. I mean, ask question in the Q&A. I will try to help you there. That's it for this video. I hope you understand, and I will see you at the next one.